Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix EPC light on Volkswagen and Audi. So the EPC light stands for Electronic Power Control Light on Volkswagen and Audi vehicles is an indicator of a problem in the engine management system. So here are some of the methods that you can use in order to diagnose the problem and fix the EPC light problem. In the first method, you need to check and replace the faulty sensors. So you need to use an OBD2 scanner to read the error codes from the vehicle's ECU. These codes will help identify the specific sensor or system causing the issue. The EPC light is often related to the throttle body. So you need to check for dirt, debris or carbon buildup around the throttle body. Clean it using a throttle body cleaner if necessary. Common sensors that may trigger the EPC light include the throttle position sensors, mass airflow sensor, and brake light switch. So replace any faulty sensors as indicated by the error codes. In the second method, you can inspect and repair the wiring and the connections. For that, you need to inspect the wiring harness connected to the throttle body, sensors, and ECU for any visible damage, wear, or loose connections. You need to ensure that all electronical connectors are securely attached. So a loose connection can cause interterminate issues that trigger the EPC light. If you find any damaged wires, you need to use electronical tape or wire connectors to repair them. In some cases, you may need to replace the entire sections of the wiring harness. In the third method, you can address the fuel system issues. For that, you need to check the fuel pumps. You need to fuel filter and fuel injectors for any signs of malfunction or clogging. A clogged fuel filter can restrict the fuel flow to the engine, causing the EPC light to come on. So you need to replace the fuel filter if it appears dirty or clogged. You need to use a fuel injector cleaner to remove any buildup that might be affected fuel delivery to the engine. So add the cleaner to your fuel tank according to the product's instructions. In the additional tip, you can regularly maintain your vehicle. So regularly service of your vehicle including the oil changes, air filter replacements and spark plug inspections to prevent issues that could trigger the EPC light. If the EPC light persists after performing these steps, it is advisable to seek help from the professional mechanic or an authorized dealer. So they are specialized in tools and expertise to diagnose and fix more complex issues. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.